What is green? A color? A feeling? A movement? Looks like everyone is trying to promote themselves as green these days. And it seems to us that green credentials are getting pretty watered down, but not at CertainTeed. We're sustainable from raw materials to installation to product performance. And this is really important because comfort shouldn't just be about reducing noise and increasing thermal efficiency. It's about peace of mind. Sustainable insulation starts saving you money the minute it's installed in your home and will continue for the life of the building. On top of that, we're environmentally responsible too. With improved product and process, sustainable insulation can help you build an environment of change. Our commitment to true sustainability has been recognized with the Energy Star Partner of the Year Award and is Green Guard Children and Schools certified. On top of that, you'll earn LEED points just by using it. All these accolades add up to real sustainable design.
We're looking at finding ways to protect the environment by selecting appropriate materials that are less impactful on the environment through both their extraction and processing, but also how they're used in the building environment. We select materials for high performance, especially when it comes to exterior finishes, windows, insulation, and wall treatment. Most sustainable products tend to have a better life expectancy. This greater awareness of sustainability is going to dictate for us what we need to be doing. We need to be creating this newer, more sustainable inventory of building spaces because that's what the future is going to require of us.
Every day, putting one green foot forward is our mission at CertainTeed. Our green story starts here with renewable raw materials. These materials are transformed into a green product in facilities that are committed to being sustainable themselves. In Chowchilla, recycled glass and sand that's sourced from less than 150 miles away are brought in and turned into insulation. The materials travel along a production line that's been optimized to reduce energy consumption. In fact, over the last decade, our North American plants reduced their energy consumption by an average of 13.5%. That's enough electricity to power 71,222 average homes for a whole year.
I really consider the plant in Chowchilla to be one of the most environmentally friendly plants in the world. The plant has a sustained initiative to reduce energy, and so we focused on both electricity and natural gas, our two main energy sources in the plant. And we have, for the last roughly decade, have exercised numerous projects to try and reduce the amount of energy we consume, and we're now consuming energy on a level about 25 to 30% less than we did just 10 years ago. The things that make the Chowchilla plant special is that it's on an island, and the water systems are completely contained. There's no sewer system, there's no city water system, so all the water that we pump out of the ground to use in the process, every ounce of it is used and reused again and again in the process, so we're not wasting any water at all.
That's a big commitment, but we went further. We mastered the process, constantly increased recycled content, and developed an organic plant-based binder that makes your projects even more efficient and green. This binder is produced from plants, which are a rapidly renewable resource, and has no formaldehyde, dyes, or acrylics added.
From a homeowner's perspective, they can feel comfortable in knowing that they are going to receive the same type of acoustical and thermal benefits of the product, but then also feel comfortable in knowing that it's a product that's more sustainable, it's more environmentally friendly, and it's coming from a company that's really committed to reducing our impact on the environment overall.
CertainTeed continues to optimize the packaging of our products to reduce waste, and all packaging is recyclable at the end of its life. What's more, our highly compressed finished product enables more to be warehoused and shipped at one time, reducing fuel and energy consumption. In fact, one truck of compressed product equals 9 trucks of uncompressed product. And get this, our strategically placed manufacturing facilities and distribution centers cut down on the negative environmental impact associated with transporting materials from one end of the country to the other. Okay, so you get that we're green, but what about the performance? Sustainable insulation has exceptional handling, as well as superior rigidity, recovery, and cuttability, allowing you to be more efficient on the job site.
The performance has been considerably better. The fiber itself and both the touch feel, the cutting of the material is very good. The best that I have ever seen. Matter of fact, they fight to get to this material here. That's their choice there. They don't want to hang anything else now.
So why did CertainTeed feel it was important to develop this new sustainable insulation? Because you should be comfortable with the products you put in your buildings.
We all live on the same planet together, and the history of the construction industry is build a lot of it and build it fast. What we see now is more of a road towards building it better with less impact on the environment. When we're able to share that with the consumer, they feel more comfortable about electing to make the choices towards sustainable products.
As the North American leader of building responsibly for more than 100 years, CertainTeed is proud to add yet another product to our environmentally friendly portfolio, sustainable insulation. Visit sustainableinsulation.com for our full green story. Help build an environment of change.